Hi, my name is Juliana Statile, and I'm a second-year doctoral student in vocal performance. I'm also doing a minor in music education as well as vocology. I am super excited about this project since this project combines a few of my passions, both music, singing, and STEM. I currently teach first-year STEM students here at IU through the Group Scholars program in a first-year seminar. And I also taught, a little fun fact about me, elementary music before I came here. This project involves partnering with the WonderLab Science Center in downtown Bloomington. They are actually doing an exhibit upstairs soon that will involve science behind music, singing, and sound. And so this is really cool because we're bringing in those faculty members, and children will get to do hands-on demonstrations, experience in real-time feedback, and learn about healthy singing so they can have lifelong careers, or what a career would look like in vocology, for example, helping singers and helping people with voice disorders as well as hearing sciences. And then also we'll hear from one of our own here at the voice department about healthy technique in singing for children that are aspiring to pursue careers in performance. So I think this is very exciting. I wish this was something I was exposed to as a kid because of course music was in my life, but I never got to really meet a professional musician and ask about the career and learn about the science and the technique behind it. And I think it's very important that we teach healthy singing so that everyone can have lifelong careers. This project kind of combines a lot of different elements of what I spoke on before. So it combines singing, it combines STEM, it combines vocology, and it combines hearing sciences. So we're bringing in a faculty from the voice department, a faculty member from vocology at the Health Science Center, and a faculty from hearing sciences. And basically what this project does is it exposes kids in the community and students to careers in both music and STEM and how those kind of interplay. I think it's very important that children see that there are more careers in both STEM and music. And so this project introduces them to that and the science behind it. And I'm super excited. So hope to see you there, changing the world through song and STEM.